Hi you guys, it's me, Sonsearai Dominique. I'm back with another video, but before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button below in red letters, and then make sure you click the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. I hope you enjoy watching, and make sure you comment below, thumbs up if you like the video, and share with your family and friends. Enjoy. A little bit of care instructions, and this is a mix of like a auburn color with a warm brown color that has a little bit of chocolate gold like pieces on the ends. These are how many different lengths? Three. This is the longest, the mid length, and then the shorter length.